Hello. If you're using one of the LG water efficient washing machines, you might notice that with the default settings you may not see enough water coming to wash the clothes. So in order to fix that, what you could do is just open the top lid of the washing machine and then go down to here, and you see this little screw there round. You may want to turn it right maybe 3 to 4 times, and you'll notice that after that, when you start the washing machine, the water level would have risen comparatively. So you can adjust it according to what level of water you want during the wash and the rinse. And thank you very much.